Even with all this wind and rain and ice, there's a robin trying to hang on to the tree down there. Look at that.
Where?
Where did it go? It's in that middle tree. See it on the branch?
No, where? Where is it?
Here, look in the camera. I've got it in the middle of the camera. See?
No.
Right there? Where my thumb is? That robin is trying to hang on. You still don't see it? It's right there where my thumb is. This robin is just hanging on for dear life.
I know.
It's crazy.
Why isn't it flying to its nest where it can be warm?
I don't know. Maybe his nest got blown away.
Let me see.
Okay, I'm going to stop the video first.